You honestly would not believe how many questions I get about Six Figure Design Club. And it's not really something that I speak about too much on this channel, because this channel is aimed at just giving sort of helpful snippets and tidbits and whatnot on Squarespace. But someone said to me the other day, Sam, I watch your channel and then I also follow you on Instagram. You talk so much about business on Instagram and about Six Figure Design Club, but yet I see nothing on your YouTube. And I was like, yeah, I do have a separate YouTube just for coaching and stuff, but I understand that the audiences may not cross. So I wanted to do a video doing a bit of a deep dive inside Six Figure Design Club. And for those who don't know, Six Figure Design Club is my coaching program where I take Squarespace designers from wherever they are right now to 100K per year in less than 12 months. And I do that by giving them an airtight curriculum alongside a community and so many other sort of benefits, resources, whatever it may be. But the thing is, I'm never very good at showcasing that to potential students, because I think, well, I can see all of the value inside. Those who have enrolled have literally become six-figure earners and can see all the value inside. But if you're on the outside, it's really difficult to think, well, I can see the results and I can see Sam speaking about it, but what's inside? What do I actually get when I spend all this money? Like, what's on the other side? So what I want to do is just open up the doors, show you inside. There's no real sales pitch. I just want to showcase what you get if you want to buy. So without further ado, I'll take you in now. Okay, so let's get into it. This is the sales page for Six Figure Design Club. I'm going to leave the link in the description and you can check out all of the cool benefits, all of the testimonials, a little bit about me, all the cool stats, go to all the modules, etc., etc. You can also get module 1 of the entire course for free just by clicking on here, and then you just need to sign up with some details and then you automatically get access to that. So what I'll quickly do is show you that first. If we go into Entry Club, this is completely free and you'll get access to the club where you can join the Facebook group, join the full program, and then you can see all of module 1. It's roughly an hour of pretty game-changing content in my opinion. And then obviously you can just see everyone's cool testimonials there. So that's Entry Club. Now for the good stuff. Now for the even juicier stuff. So within Six Figure Design Club, there is literally so much content, the mind boggles, and it's difficult for me to keep up with it. As you can see, I literally have to record a new intro video probably every couple of weeks, maybe. So let's start with the main hub. So you've got access to everything in here. You've got your welcome video from me, which just talks you through everything that you're going to get, how to utilize it, etc. Join the community, access to a resource doc, which is basically every single resource from the course in one place. So often under lessons, I'll say, here's a template, here's this, blah, blah, blah. If I click on it, it will take you through to the resource doc. And then you can see we've got all of these, got more templates in here, and a content strategy for web designers in here. Then I actually had a request from one of the students saying, Sam, you mentioned like a ton of other links under the lessons. What we'd love is a collection of all of those links in one document. So I put that together as well. That will take you through to that document so you can just sort of look at things, and instead of having to go through the entire course to find what you want, you can find it super quick. So then we've got 14 different modules. This is literally the holy grail. If you want to scale to six figures and way beyond as a web designer, this is the place to be. So you've got your basic housekeeping. Obviously that's module 1 that we've seen in Entry Club. Lessons for starters. So if you're literally just getting started in your journey, this will get you to where you need to be. I've talked about all of the reasons how and why you'll want to become the 100K Squarespace designer. Then you want to set your foundations. I am a big believer in brand building, so there's a module on that. This one is super useful, and it's probably the module that people love most, and it's basically how to find and close more clients and bigger paying clients. So if I quickly just jump into here, everywhere I source clients, this isn't surface level stuff. This is almost, 3/4 of an hour of me sitting, going through every single phase. So this is probably giving away a little bit of juice, but it will take people through all of the stages that people go through when they make their buying decision. So even just knowing stuff like that is super valuable. But on top of that, I also go through, you can see here with the previews, all the places I go through, how I pitch and how I land stuff. And then for students, if they're just going through and they want to quickly jump between modules, you can see you've got that off to the side. And then you can mark things done as you go. We've even got random money opportunities like a free $500 a month. Sounds a bit scammy, to be honest. But basically, I'll give you the intel now. Squarespace pay Squarespace developers for every single website that they build. So if you can be one of those people who can churn out, 5 to 10 websites a month, we're looking at over $1,000 just for building those websites from Squarespace as a kickback. It's insane. And there's tons of these sort of low, sort of high leverage tasks where you put in not too much effort and you pull a lever and then you get quite a bit of money back. And that's on top of all the other stuff where it's your classic bread and butter projects. So that's the curriculum. And there's also, there's just so much. It's massive. There's like over 80 lessons, I think. There's even a bonus life setup here. So my story, balancing work on vacation, huge request that I always get. And then even how to set up as a digital nomad. There's stuff on accountancy, where I talk about how to talk to an accountant based on my interactions with my own accountant who saved me over the years, probably like 40, 50k in tax. And then there's a summarized action plan right at the end. So, you've gone through all of this. And then I just say, okay, do this for the next 90 days. These are the tools you need. And as you grow, this is the next 12 months and how it should look. And if you're really low on time, this is the minimum effective dose that you need to be implementing. So that's the course curriculum. That is where most courses would stop. They say, hey, we've got a course and like a Facebook community. But we go way further than that. And it's not just a small course either. This is, it's coming up on 20 hours of content, all aimed at making you make more money. So we'll go back, and then we've got workshop replays as well. So on top of the curriculum, we're hosting actual workshops. This can just be group chats or AMAs, stuff like that. But then we also have actual guest speakers come in. So we had Alex Demirel, the health coach, come in and talk to the guys about how to optimize their health and how that has a knock-on impact on your business. We had a guy called Nick, who's a money expert. He came in, told everyone about all the money mistakes that freelancers make and how to avoid them. We had something here with me doing a live 6K call to a client, close that, all the places that I pitch, and also an insight on every single job that I've had at the time over the past 6 months, breaking down where I found them, how it went, how I managed it, all of that. So you get crazy insights. Then we've got the 6-figure stamp. So when you've finished the course, you'll be able to take this quiz and you'll get a certificate and then also like a badge that you can put on official docs or whatever you want to put it. Then we've got the directory. And the directory is just a place for you to submit your details. So you can put in your name, email, portfolio, your price range, packages offered. I put that into a spreadsheet. And every single time that I get overflow work, which is probably sort of 10 projects-ish a month, I will send the clients to the directory and they will pick from there on who they think is the best fit for the project. So not only are you learning, not only are you able to get a certificate, but you're also benefiting from actual leads just from being in the course. You pay once and you get a lifetime of leads. It's insane. I mean, I don't want to sound too sort of pushy or scammy, but this is the best in the business easily. And I'm more than happy to say that on camera. The 100 Club, this is just another bit of free value that I like to give back to the guys in the course. So once you hit an 8.5k month, you're officially part of the 100 Club, because 8.5 times 12, you're coming in at just over 100k for the year. So you're a 6-figure designer then. And so what I'll give to those who hit that and can prove it is a custom case of Moe. You can see it just there. And it says 100k. And then obviously if you want to drink it, you can. If you want to keep it, again, you can. And if you don't drink, that's fine. I know there's people who don't drink. Then we have a glass trophy, which is also just behind my head. One sec. just up there above me. So you can get a free custom engraved trophy if you don't want them away. So just another little bonus. Then we've got the clubhouse. This is just for those who want to take the fast lane, and that is an application to work directly one-on-one with me. What I say to the guys is, it's the same content that's in the course. That is going to get every single person who comes into the course to where they need to be. But if you want to sort of maybe half the time, then just do it with me, daily check-ins, and we'll get there. Completely optional. I don't really push this whatsoever in the course, but just a nice to have if you really wanted to push that. And then we've got the affiliate program. The affiliate program is one of the most insane on the market. I mean, I won't say too much about this, but for every person that you can get signed up to the course, you get 1K. And then there are also rewards for affiliates. So you get 3 sales, you get an Apple Watch. You get 8 sales, you get a MacBook Pro. You get 15 sales, you get an all expenses paid vacation. If you get 30 sales, there's something cool coming soon. So you can obviously only be in that if you're in the course. Some people have found that literally just joining for this was reason enough, and I get that. I mean, I don't want people's income to just be affiliate income, but it is super lucrative. So that is Six Figure Design Club. We obviously have a huge community as well. Really, it's really, really engaging. I'll quickly just show you guys that now. So if I jump into the community, it's a Facebook community, but it's not just random people shilling, crap. It's a vetted private group. Only course members can be in there. And then we have so many posts. I mean, this is one day, literally just one day of posts. One day. Second day. It goes on and on. It's just so engaged in there. Everyone is in there to support each other. Everyone's in there to win. And there's just so much work within the web design community and Squarespace in general that all of us don't even have to be rivals. We're just all supporting each other, all growing. Loads of people doing those 8K month plus. And it's just a very, very exciting place to be. Now, I'll leave the link to Six Figure Design Club in the description. There's no incentive to join. If you want to join, then, please do. But I wanted to showcase what is actually inside, what you actually get for your money, because I've had so many people, especially on Instagram, and I mean so many, like literally 300 or 400 people say, well, I don't really know what's inside. I see all of the success stories and whatnot, but I don't actually see what I get for my money. So this is what you get for your money. You get a super in-depth curriculum. You get a ton of workshops. You get your certificate. You get your trophy or your champagne. You get the community, and I'm in there every single day, so you get access to me every day. And so much more. I mean, we've got in-person events planned. So we've got one coming up in London very soon. And then we're going to hire a rooftop in New York in September for Squarespace's annual Circle Day. So anyone who's a Six Figure Design Club will get free access to a rooftop event in New York. And we're going to keep putting these events on, no cost to members, because I truly believe this is the best Squarespace business community and course in the world. And I'm happy to put my money where my mouth is. So hopefully you can see there's a ton inside that you probably didn't even know of. I mean, the iceberg at the top, you probably think, oh, it's maybe a 20 lesson course, but it's quite clearly not. It's a lot more than that. Anyway, no incentive to join. I'm not going to push you to join. I just wanted to show what's there. So hopefully you found this useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want to join Six Figure Design Club, the link is in the description.